welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know that was a little too dramatic, but even in real life, so many times we go out in the sun, we come back home and we're super duper tan. And we need solutions that can help us instantly. So in today's video, I've partnered up with Everyuth to bring you their tan removal kit. I have personally been loving their tan removal kit. I've been using it for a week or so and I have seen my skin brighten up and look way better and less tan. And I'm going to be sharing exactly how I do each of the steps of the tan removal process. So if you guys are interested, then continue watching. Alright guys, so now we're going to straight away dive into how I use this entire tan removal kit. Firstly, I removed the slight amount of makeup I had and the lipstick, and now I'm just going to pull my hair back so that it doesn't interfere in my entire process. I'm just going to do that. Now this scrub, and in fact their entire anti-tan range, contains cherries, which are very rich in vitamins, and chocolate, which is a luxurious antioxidant, and both these things help brightening your skin up and removing all the dead cells off of your skin. It smells really good, by the way. I'm going to scoop a little bit, just this much. I'm just going to take that on my fingers and I'm just going to rub that nicely and just start scrubbing. So you have to be very gentle, especially like I have an acne breakout happening right here, so I need to be really gentle. So I'm just going to avoid the areas where I have acne breakouts so that that part doesn't get too irritated, and I'm just going to scrub the rest of my face. So once I'm done with the scrubbing, I'm just going to quickly wash off my face. I'm going to do that off camera and come back. Alright guys, so the scrub is off of my skin. You will see some redness here and there because obviously scrubbing means removing of dead cells, and redness actually is a good sign. That means the dead cells have come off. And now I'm going to go in with the second step, which is the tan removal pack. Now this pack is really nice because it not just detoxifies your skin, it also helps provide the right nourishment for your skin to be bright and for all the tanning to go away. And I'm just going to take a brush and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. Easy peasy, nothing complicated there. One thing that I want to tell you all is you will feel a slight burning sensation on your skin, and that means that the product is actually working on removing all the tanning cells from your skin. And leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, listen to some music, catch up on your phone and just do your thing. So I have removed the face pack from my skin and you can see instantly my face is feeling a little brighter. I'm sure you can't see like too much of a difference because I wasn't so tan as I've been using this product. But the next step is the tan removal serum for the face. Now, why serums are important are because serums help absorb the active ingredients of whatever they contain much faster and stronger than a moisturizer. 2 pumps of the serum onto my tips of the fingers, and I'm just gonna gently absorb it all over my face. The serum feels really good. It actually instantly makes my skin glow, which you can see on camera, and I absolutely love how it feels on my skin. My skin feels smoother and more texturized. And now coming to the last step, which is the night cream. Now this is such a great night cream. You can also use it as a night cream every night before going to bed because it helps the skin recover all the melanin and the pigmentation be gone. And that's why I have been using this night cream almost every day ever since I've been using these products. So I'm just going to take like a little amount of night cream, not too much because I have oily skin and I don't need too much moisturizing, but I need some. So I'm just going to take that all over my face and nicely massage it into my skin. And yeah, that's it. This is my anti-tan removal process, which you guys can follow at the comfort of your home. So that's it guys, these are 4 simple steps that you need to follow in order to get rid of your tan, and you can do this maybe once a week. It's super simple and on the go, so I will be leaving the link down below in case you want to buy these products. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Like, comment, share, hit the notification bell icon. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.